Hello. Hi, this again is another short video to explain the main section of your platform, okay? So when you access the platform, you will see in the central or in the middle screen three very, well, not big, but medium icons, okay? We're going to explain now the first one that is called News, okay? The one on the left. So this is basically a forum where I communicate with you, telling you or giving you important information about the school or about our class. So for example, if I need to remind you of an important activity or an important date for a test we are doing or something essential that is happening in our school, okay, it will be posted in this forum. So when you click on the icon, you will see different messages. Right now I only posted two announcements, okay? So you need to just click on it and to basically read the information and be informed, okay? This particular forum, okay, it's only informative, so you cannot reply or you cannot really answer to the information, okay? Any other forums that we will have in the platform, you will be able to communicate and answer and ask questions, but in this one it's just for information purposes, okay? So that's about the forum news. Okay, we'll continue in the next video.